This is a piece of steel. It's actually the sister piece of this piece of steel. I have a plan for this piece of steel. Now what I intend to do with this is soak it in vinegar to get the mill scale and rust off, make a nice frame for it, divide it up into 100 sections, and weld some names into it. Specifically, your names. My first 100 subscribers. Because let's face it, it's not if, it's when I break 1 million subscribers. I'd like to remember the first 100 that actually watched my early shit videos. So, if you want your name on a piece of steel that you'll never touch, and you might only see sometimes in videos, leave a comment down below with your first name and your initial, or your YouTube name, doesn't matter, and I will weld it into this piece of steel. And of course, I'll film it and make a video out of it at 100 subscribers. Has to be at 100 subscribers. Because if there's not 100 names to put on there, I'm not doing it. Actually, can I fit 100 names on there? Now that's just one name, and there's all of this sheet to fill. It might look like a bit of a banana when it's done, but I can fix that later. So, get subscribing, get your name in the comments, I'll put your name on the plate, and when we hit that 100, I'll make the video. And if we have room for more, I'll make the video anyway, but then whoever comes on later, I'll chuck them down too. So I'm not sure if I've said it enough yet, but like the video, subscribe, get your name in the comments, first name and initial, or your channel name. And if we can pull this one off, I have an idea for 1,000 subscribers.